Hello everyone, I'm Zara Fatima. Welcome back to my channel. This video is for the students of BCom first year semester 2 students of Osmania University. In this video, I'm sharing with you the long important questions for the subject business law from unit 1 to unit 5, and in my previous videos I shared with you the short important questions for the subject business law from unit 1 to unit 5. Now the long questions for the subject business law unit 1, you can see on your screen. Under that, the first question is define the contract, explain the essential features of a valid contract. Second, all contracts are agreement but all agreements are not contract, discuss the statement. Then next is explain different types of contracts. Then next is define consideration and explain essentials of a lawful consideration. Then define consideration, state the exceptions to the rule no consideration, no contract. What do you mean by breach of a contract? State the different types of breach of a contract. Also explain remedies available to aggrieved parties in case of breach of contract. The next question, write in detail about Information Technology Act 2000. And the last one, what do you mean by discharge of a contract? Now on screen you can see unit 2. Under unit 2, the first one, define the term goods as per the Sale of Goods Act 1930. Bring out clearly the distinction between sale and agreement to sell. Second, define the term goods as per the Goods Act 1930 and explain the rights of an unpaid seller. Third one, explain briefly the rules as the passing of property from the seller to the buyer in a contract of sale of goods. Fourth one, explain the rights and obligations of the finder of lost goods. Fifth one, explain the term delivery of goods and explain different methods of delivery of goods. Last one, explain the rights and obligations of the finder of lost goods. So these are the important questions for the unit 2 subject business law. Students, you can see on screen clearly the questions for the subject business law unit 2 from question number 1 to question number 6. And on screen now you can see unit 3 long questions again. Number 1, write a brief note on meaning of a copyright as per Copyright Act 1957. Second question, explain the term invention and explain the activities which are not entitled for the patents under the Patents Act 1970. Explain in details about trade secrets. Then number 4, what is intellectual property right? Explain the types of rights. Number 4, describe the needs and advantages of intellectual property right. So these are the important questions from unit 3 for the subject business law. And the most important question in unit 3 is first one, write a brief note on meaning of copyright as per Copyright Act 1957. Now unit 4, long questions. Number 1, define director. What are the qualifications and disqualification of a company's director? Second is how the directors of a public company is appointed. Third one, discuss the powers and duties of a director of a company. Fourth one, what are the various types of meetings conducted in a company? Fifth one, what is annual general meeting? State the legal provisions regarding calling such a meeting. Sixth one, what are the requisition of valid meeting? Seventh one, what do you mean by resolution? Explain different types of resolutions. So these are the important questions for the subject business law in unit 4. The most important is define director. What are the qualification and disqualification of a company director? And second is also important, how the directors of a company is appointed. Now the unit 5. In unit 5 you have 3 questions only, and these 3 are very important. The first one, define winding up of a company. What are the various modes of a winding up? Second one, explain in detail Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016. Third one, who is an official company liquidator? What are his powers and duties of a company liquidator in compulsory winding up of a company? So students, these three questions are very important from unit 5. So from unit 1 to unit 5 I shared with you the important questions for the subject business law. So students, like and share this video with all your friends because these questions are very important, and share with your friends and share in your WhatsApp group also, so that it helps to you and your friends for the preparation of your upcoming examination May, June, July 2024. And students, if you are new to my channel and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel so that the future notifications related to my future videos will come to you directly. And students, very soon I'm going to share with you the important questions for the subject financial accounting also.